2024 to 2025 marks another year of increasing caseloads. This year, we saw a 10% increase in complaints. That's a staggering 43% increase in the number of new complaints received since 2019 to 2020. Last year, we received 3,232 new complaints about public services. At 34%, health remains the most common subject of new complaints. Last year, we received 949 complaints about health boards. That's a 26% increase since 2019 to 2020. Local council complaints are also up significantly. Last year, we received 1,337 complaints about local councils. That's a 54% increase since 2019 to 2020. And housing complaints have more than doubled. Last year, we received 411 complaints about housing associations. That's a 103% increase since 2019 to 2020. As complaints rise, we remain committed to delivering justice and improving public services. Head to our website to read the full findings from our annual report.